Hi everybody, this is Dr. Mike Darre, the Extension Poultry Specialist at UConn again. Today we're going to talk about brooding and rearing chicks, and then we'll go into a little bit more on housing requirements for your birds. So I'm standing in one of our research pens at the University of Connecticut right now, and here we have this big pancake heater, or hover, H-O-V-E-R as it's called. This particular heater runs on gas. It has a gas jet flame, and it has a ceramic core in there that heats up and puts infrared heat down. For your particular farm, if you just have a few chicks, you might want to use an infrared lamp, the red infrared heat lamp. And the best thing to check and see the temperature for your birds is if the birds are all underneath the heat lamp and they're shaking and shivering, then you know they're too cold. You need to drop the lamp down a little bit. If all the birds are spread out along the outside of the building and they're all kind of panting, then you know it's too hot and you want to raise the lamp up a little. If the birds are all evenly spread out throughout the room, some are under the lamp, some not, and they look comfortable, that's the perfect adjustment. So you don't really need a thermometer, you just need to watch your birds to see where are they relative to the heat source. Now there is one other condition. If all the birds are off to one side of your room or building, and the heater's kind of a few feet away from them, but they're away from the heater, but off to one side, that means there's a draft. So you have to look from the birds through the heat source directly in a straight line, and you'll find the draft. The draft is air movement blowing the heat from under the heat lamp over to the corner where the birds are looking for the heat. So you want to eliminate drafts. Again, your ideal is your birds spread out all over. Pretty much like these birds are today. They're wandering all over the pen. They're looking pretty comfortable. Of course, they're not up on top of me because they're not sure about me right now, but they're in good, comfortable condition. On the floor, we have wood shavings and a little bit of sawdust type thing. I like the pine shavings or pine wood as a good litter source. It absorbs the wetness from your manure, and that's important to keep your manure clean and dry. So we'll do another segment and we'll show you how to clean and how to check your litter.